Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Purple Backyard Farm. Today we're going to talk about mason bees. Now guys, Clay and I keep honeybees, but one of the bees that we may set up for this year are what are called mason bees. Now mason bees do not produce honey like the honeybee does, but the benefits of mason bees are this. They're not really aggressive. They will hardly ever sting you, if they do even sting you. They are solitary bees, so what they'll do is they'll live in these little tubes that you put a little mason house up, and each female bee is a queen, so to speak, and she will produce about 20 to 30 eggs a year compared to, say, a regular honeybee hive. They will pollinate your flowers in your yard because they only go from like 100 to 200 to 300 feet. So they're going to stay right in your yard. So they're not going to be all over looking for honey. And the other thing about the mason bees is they're easy to keep. They're not a big deal. And say a honeybee, you might need 100 honeybees for pollination compared to one mason bee. So they really get a lot of the pollen going and flowing in your garden. And when you look at a mason bee, they're kind of sloppy about how they have pollen all over them and compared to neat little pouches on their legs. And they're great for your garden, and they're not a big deal, and they're not going to have that big stinging thing. So look into mason bees. Maybe that's your choice for pollination for your yard, and it is helping the bees. Okay guys, remember, big or small, you too could be a backyard farm. God bless.